So this is the Binance red bucket codes for today. Now we have the first code is NF24, NF24 and NEOT. Now click on claim. And as you can see, click on open. And now what we will get, so as you can see, we'll get 0.07 PayPath. Now the other code is C0UX2 and MEC. Now let's click on claim. And now what we will got, now click on open. Now wait a few seconds. And as you can see, we've got 0.000 2309 TRX. Now the other code is, as you can see, OXW VFP. So I miss the W, or OXW VAFP and 8. Now hit the claim. And as you can see, click on open. And now what we will got 0.0001435 TRX. Now the other code is SRVFBRDA. Now let's click on claim. And now, as you can see, click on open. Now what we will got, as you can see, we got 0.00602 kernel. Now let's try another code. Another code is G0PZGBSN. Now let's click on claim. And now as you can see, now click on open. And now what we got, as you can see, we got 0.06 bonk. Now let's try another code. So another code is WVORCIGL. Now let's hit the claim button. And as you can see, click on open. Now what we will got, so we will got 0.03, or as you can see, long. Now let's try another code. So the other code is ZG112Q1 and 7. Now let's click on claim. And now what we will got, click on open. Now let's see. So we've got 0.0073 beta. Now let's try another code. So another code is U8L3KIQ7. Now let's hit claim. And now as you can see, now click on open. And let's see what we've got. So we've got 0.0 docs. Now let's try another code. So another code is YR2C7R4N. Now click on claim. And now wait a few seconds. As you can see, click on open. Now let's see what we've got. We've got 0.0001 sol. Now let's try the final code. So the final code is VTU05HL and 5. Well, let's click on claim. Now wait a few seconds and click on open. Now what we've got, so as you can see, we've got 0.000569 USDT. So this is the Binance red bucket codes for today. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.